So concatenate means to link together. So what we want to do in this situation is link together last name, first name. So that again is called concatenate. So as we mentioned in the other videos, if we start with an equal sign, then we can do just the concat, which is 2 values, but I am going to leave it open. So maybe we want to add more strings than just one. So to concatenate here, the last name first, I'm going to put in this value, my comma, my first value, and then hit enter, and you'll see right here we have the last name, first name, there's no space. Maybe that's what you want, because maybe you want to then concatenate and at myemailaddress.com. And then there you can go from first name, last name to full email address, which could be super helpful. But let's look at the other way of doing it. And perhaps we will add, just like we have up here, a comma, a space, and then the first name. So up here to the function sign. And when we scroll down, I'm looking for text because that's what we're talking about. We're talking about concatenating different strings of text. So come over to concatenate, and we want to say what the first string we want, which in this situation will be the last name, then our comma, quotation marks, comma, space, quotation marks. And what that will do is whatever's in the quotation marks will actually be put in. So that's going to be last name, comma, space, and then we want to put in another comma before our next string. And there you go. A4, close your brackets, that happens automatically in this situation. Okay, so now we have Barnhart, comma, Brian. Now, remember from our previous lessons, if I highlight this cell and I come over this little blue circle here, pull this down, then that rule is going to work for all of these situations. So there you go. Look at how much time you just saved there. So this is concatenate. Hope this helps.